Hey guys,
Hi
how's everyone
guys,
doing? Today we're gonna be
unboxing
doing a unboxing
the
of a
Dyson
Dyson, the
V15.
latest model one,
Is it V15? Yeah,
V15 Detect
V15.
Total Clean.
Yep.
So here it
Wow.
is. We
Isn't it?
just bought it a few days ago and it's been
That's the
sitting in the
newest
garage
model
and
at the
now it's time
moment.
for it to come out. So,
Wow.
so when
What is
we
that?
went to
It's just a user manual
the shop to
and
buy,
QR code
because we
instructions.
obviously did some research on how these guys are, whether they're reliable
What is that?
and whether we should buy it or not. Obviously you're
Like
gonna
a
get
certificate or something?
everyone's opinion
Warranty.
varying from someone loving it to someone not liking it at all.
What is that?
So we have both of those in our mind. So we went into the store and we checked it out. We asked the
Yep.
salesperson, we say, look, we heard a few things in regards to the what do you call it, the motor being burned easily and this and that. And she was quite good. She's honest, and she said, look, there is I think for this model it has three level of power: low, medium, and high. She said the reason that the machine burn out a lot, the motor burn quickly and ruin it, is because people use it on high power at a longer period of time, which you shouldn't. So if you want to use high power on, you only use high power on some stubborn dirt, like a mattress or something like that, where you want to suck out, like really deep, suck out all the dust and things like that. So, and you only use it, I think, up to about 5 minutes at once. So pretty much you can use on medium at any time. So she said that's one thing that you need to avoid if you want to keep your machines healthy for a long time. And we love Dyson anyway. We had a few products prior to it, like literally 10 years ago, like when my first son was born. He's 10 now, and we bought it when he was born, and we bought the fan, the heating and cooling fan, the ball vacuum cleaner, and they're still running fine, and we loved it. We never had any issue. So this was no brainer for us, but we still have to ask questions. So yeah, here it is with all the different attachments, and then I think without the cord, like on a battery, on this model you can use it for 60 minutes. I think the earlier models, like the times are a bit less, like half an hour to 20 minutes and things like that, but this one I think for 60 minutes. So yeah, we can take it off like a little vacuum cleaner and use it in the car as well, so which is quite convenient. And the other technology that really, the other things about this model technology which really sold us, where we really decided to buy, is where the hair gets cut up while it's sucking it up, so it doesn't tangle in your roller and the base, which it is with the case with earlier models and things like that. I have long hair and my little girl have long hair, and it's just the hairs are a mess at home. And then even when we vacuum it, it gets stuck in there, and it's like a vicious cycle. So hopefully this should stop. We haven't used it. That's what we were told, and yeah, that is the part of that technology. So hopefully, if I can do a video on the performance, that would be really good, but I can't promise when it will be. I just have very, very tight schedules with my kids and other stuff that's going on in our lives. So it looks quite sleek and beautiful. Yeah, hopefully we'll have good time using this, and hopefully the quality speaks for itself.
Burn out quickly on
Here
this
it
model.
is, yeah. Yeah, it has a lot of different attachments. So we need to figure out where to use,
Yeah, that's what she said anyway.
which attachment to use at when,
And I think this
things like
one,
that. Maybe I need to read up a bit more and research a bit more into it.
without
And yeah, here it is. And We actually bought, I
with the
think,
battery. On the
so this
battery,
thing come with
1 hour.
2 years warranty,
60
and I think we
minutes.
bought extra
Yeah.
2 year
60
like
minutes
a
cord-
store warranty.
Battery life.
So
60
hopefully,
minutes
you know,
cordless. Yeah.
yeah, it's
And then
a
you have to try it again.
good little.
So that's about
machine.
it. This is
It looks
just
good
unpacking.
anyway.
We haven't actually
So we'll see
tested
how
it
we
out
go.
yet.
If I did
Hopefully we can make another video.
come across
on
any issues, I'll make a video
the
and talk
performance
about
of
it
it.
anyway. Until
Take care,
then,
see
see
you
you
in the
next
next
time.
video.
Bye.